Alrighty, YouTube, we are back after years of collecting parts, and we have a spec single disc along with a spec aluminum flywheel. I was gonna go DKM, but then I ended up getting one without the thing on it, you know. So we got the right one now, and we're gonna throw that on real quick. So let's go. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these new bolts. We use new hardware here. I put a little Loctite on here. We're doing orange just because I want to take my flywheel off probably at some point. If you use red, it's never coming off. Kind of reminds me of Halloween, you know. Orange on blackish gray. Spooky vibes. We should play some music. Be copyrighted real quick. So I don't really know what these bolts are here and here. I tightened them a little bit just to see if they were loose, and they weren't, so I'm assuming I don't need to lift that off or anything. We'll just run with it. If it blows up, you know.
Let's do it. That's where you put your clutch on.
What do you mean? That's where the flywheel goes?
Never mind.
Wait.
We know what we're doing.
That's like the blue plate?
The blue plate, yeah. Yeah, bud.
Okay.
Dude said, I'm going to build a whole motor.
So those bolts earlier, they're for this, so make sure you take them out beforehand. Put them on here. Alright, y'all, so off camera, we torqued the flywheel down to 80 foot-pounds with this whole bad boy. So that's all done. Pretty simple, straightforward. Now we're going to throw on the clutch. Alrighty, y'all, we got the clutch on, number one. That's what it's called, right?
The clutch.
The disc. Yeah. Now we're going to put on this blue thing. And
We're going to put the blue thing on the shiny thing, and
it goes on somehow.
it goes on there somehow, some way.
Oh, I think we're close. Come on to it. Oh.
No, no, Put the thing on the thing. No, no, no. You need a little encouragement.
Influence. Get the hammer.
He's an influencer.
We need to get the influencer.
Let me get the influencing tool.
Oh yeah.
Professional.
Like butter.
Can't believe what? I can't believe it's real butter.
You can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Can't breathe. Yeah, I really wish we had a rubber mallet.
Scratching up my blue paint that we're gonna see all the time.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I guess it won't be a shell build anymore. Yeah, don't take that out.
We probably do have a rubber mallet. Cut. Wait. Rubber mallet in 3, 2, 1. Rubber mallet.
Give it a good.
Ow!
What are you?
Ah.
You're supposed to.
Comes with the territory.
What?
I busted my knuckle on there, swinging the hammer. Where should I hit it?
Here.
Soy boy.
Take this thing. Take that thing. Give me the thing.
Good heck, bro. Oh, we could have... Dude. We could put screws in there.
That's true.
That would make sense.
Nah, why would you do that?
Men of genius.
We're evolved.
We are Elon Tusk. Yeah. That actually hurt, bro.
Well, you're not supposed to smash
my finger.
your finger with the hammer. You're
Oh,
supposed
I
to-
hit it on here.
What?
I hit it on here as I was swinging. Like,
That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
we have a ratchet.
Your ratchet.
Ow.
There it is.
There we go. Now, what you want to do is torque one as hard as you can on one side, and then go to the next bolt closest to it,
And
work your way
torque
all the
that
way
one
around.
as hard as you can.
That's what I did to the head studs.
Yeah. That's what I do for each and every one of my tires. Yeah. You know. Lug nuts. Yeah. Right. The Dude Perfect intro song.
We're made for greatness.
Yeah.
Torque spec on these, tight. I don't know.
Did you put Loctite on any of those?
I don't think I need to.
Okay.